So here we are back to Renovation House. Got soffit work to do. Got a good start on it yesterday. Didn't shoot any video of it yesterday because I wanted to just really get at it. But it looks like I'm going to be able to get some of the vinyl soffit on today. I don't know if I'll get to the fascia or not. I got a pretty late start with everything else that's been going on in the shop. One of the things we've been building is candy boards for beehives, and I can't hardly keep up with the demand. So that's been taking a lot of time. But I'll grab the other camera here and I'll give you a little bit of a tour of what we've done so far on this front porch soffit. So hopefully the camera will focus on everything here, but spent a good part of the weekend here, actually all day Sunday, reframing this soffit and fascia out here. We completely replaced the fascia. It was pretty bad shape. All the way down, all the way around. Right down there's a piece of the old fascia that came off. And as you can see, it's all in one piece because I gave it a good hard yank and it came down. A lot of the other parts of it, get over here out of the sun. As you can see, it was pretty rotten there. And we got piles of trash pick up all over the place and the old soffit laying down here. So we've got stuff laying all over to pick up. I'm going to try to get the new stuff on here today. Had to replace some tails, especially that one right there. It was really bad. We'll get this here going and got a nice day. Hopefully I can get a pretty good run at it. I got a late start. Maybe we can get this wrapped or at least get the soffit on it today. I have started stripping the old siding off, the old aluminum siding. Got a good start on this side of the house. This is the north side over here. That window up there in the attic, which is just a vent, will get replaced with a new vinyl one. But I need to redo the soffit and fascia over here as well. Otherwise, it's not too bad underneath. Just got the old-time 1940 siding. We're going to be covering it up with vinyl. So a few hours later, here's where I'm at. Just one side of the porch. Of course, getting everything set up is what took all the time. Getting sawhorses set up and all that kind of stuff you need. Got the foam board on this side. And got the soffit on this side. Got my corner made up there. Now I'm just probably hit this side tomorrow and hopefully I can wrap my way the rest of the round now that I'm all set up out here. Sometimes the setup takes longer than the actual install. I got to get some OSB over here, do some fill-ins on each side of this door. Got these little pockets. I don't want to just try to span siding over that. I want to have a backing behind it. And I got some spacers here, but they're not really in the right place, so I'll need to move those and get rid of a lot of nails. But this should go fairly straightforward. We got the all the fascias level now, and it's all the same distance from the building. So I had to do some tail trimming because we had things in and out and all over the place. So that'll be tomorrow's project. Well, here we are, day 2, siding project. Yeah, well, I should say soffit. Don't have the siding yet. But getting the siding underlayment down, getting some more of the soffit up. It's kind of slow going because I'm here by myself. And I only have about 4 hours a day to go. But here's the progress so far. Got a corner to build there. Put my H channel in. And but got down the line here quite a ways today. Of course, I'm already around the corner, did that yesterday. So for now we have a pink house. The siding underlay all on here. Still have the thing to do over here. Haven't got to that yet, but hopefully tomorrow, if it doesn't rain, it's got rain forecast, so we'll see how that goes. So that's an update on the renovation house, how we're going so far. I'll do another update here probably sometime next week when we get further along, and we'll see what the weather does. It's I'm in a t-shirt right now, and it's middle of October, and It's near 80 degrees, and that's really unusual for around here. But if you got anything out of this, appreciate getting that thumbs up. Always helps the channel. Otherwise, I'm Roger, not in the shop, but at the renovation house, doing siding, soffit, and pink stuff. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.